Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you the performance of this i5 7400 in Arc Raiders. So we're running with a undervolt on the CPU and a slight tuning on the memory. This is running at 125 volts and I was able to lower the castle density to 13, and you can see all the timings. This is Samsung memory, OEM sticks, and I'm running on a 9060 XT 16GB GPU. So this is a very good GPU, very overkill for the system, but it was the best deal for the current market, so I wanted to go and buy that, and we'll see how it performs now. So here we are, and the things I had to do for this game is that I had to lock the FPS to 48, because otherwise I get terrible audio stutters. And this value was chosen because I'm running with ray tracing. With ray tracing I lose around 6 to 8 FPS compared to running without ray tracing, but the game looks so good and I want to preserve the visuals first. I really want to enjoy the experience as it looks so incredible. And again, if I don't lock the FPS, I maybe get 60 FPS with ray tracing on and 70 FPS without ray tracing, but I get audio stutters because the CPU is always at 110%. If I lock the FPS, I can run at around 45 FPS without stutters and ray tracing, with no stutters at all. But I like to keep it 48 because that's the lowest my monitor can go to have FreeSync enabled. And this gives me some small stutters when I play, when I'm into a gunfight. I only notice that if I'm running with my headphones. I'm currently running it through the monitors, so you can also hear the audio in this recording. Without ray tracing, I can play at 55 FPS without stutters. Yeah, I guess that is really all that you need to know about this. The game is at super high performance. I'm running with FSR anyways to keep the GPU really lower in power consumption. Here you can see the settings. Everything is, I guess, epic with dynamic lights. Oh, I'm gonna die now. Not good. Woo. Try not to die. And yeah, so that's an idea of how the system runs. Now, this runs so good because I'm running on an AMD GPU. AMD GPUs have much lower CPU overhead compared to NVIDIA ones. Whoa, 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 I didn't know that. I'm a noob at this game, as you can clearly see. I'm not really... I've been starting to play this game like 2 days ago, just to test the machine. Yeah, the game is amazing, really addictive. And the graphics are so good, it really feels worth it to get occasional stutters. Again, it's not possible to hear them if I'm playing with the monitor, but with the headphones and 48 FPS and ray tracing, I can get some occasional stutters, but it's worth it, I guess. Try not to die. So enjoy some gameplay. Also notice that I'm actually... Die. Come on. Oh. Why? Okay, finally. Where's the core? So I'm playing with a very, how do you say that, non-aggressive mode. So I'm not gonna kill anyone. Time to stick myself. And recharge my shield. I guess that's all that I need to say in this video, and I will just show you with the gameplay, which is, I guess, not really not anything special, but oh shit. But this game is very addictive. That's really what I needed to say. There's something big going around. And this guy wants to leave, and I'm with him, I would say. I still have to investigate. for my main quest, but is there anything for me? Yes. Ah, the nice feeling of looting. All mine. Bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. I have no idea what's worth and what's not. Hey, what's happening here? This guy deployed a smoke grenade. Makes sense. No, I'm dead. Okay, I missed the train, and I guess I'm gonna die here. Ciao. Hello. I don't even know if this thing can kill me inside here. I have no idea about that. Doesn't seem friendly at all. Doesn't seem like he wants me to leave. And leave, whatever. I'm not here. Let's heal myself. I guess you don't really want to know how this ends. Ciao!